discovering the marvels of the ocean.
An ocean is a huge area of salt water covering a big part of the earth. Oceans are even bigger than seas. What animals can you find 9D in the ocean? Fish in the ocean come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They range from tiny, colorful clownfish to large, majestic sharks. Jellyfish are gelatinous, transparent creatures that float in the water. Some jellyfish in the deep ocean can even glow in the dark. Corals are made up of tiny animals called polyps. They form colonies and create beautiful structures.
Dolphins are intelligent and playful mammals. They're excellent swimmers and communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Whales are called the gentle giants of the sea. Most of them feed on tiny plankton and krill. Octopuses are intelligent and highly adaptable creatures. They have soft bodies and 8 arms lined with suction cup. Most morays prefer to live in the world's warmer waters. They're active in finding food at night. Some of these animals include fish, sharks, jellyfish, corals, dolphins, whales, octopuses, and moray eels.